We had great weather for the recycling event this morning, and for this afternoon it's been gorgeous. Partly cloudy skies out there, temperatures in the upper 80s. Up in the high country, lots of sunshine as well, with temperatures mostly in the 60s and 70s for the day. As for our highs tomorrow, we'll be right around 90 degrees. Great Bronco weather for the game. We are going to see chances for rain into next week and a cool down with temperatures back in the 70s on our extended 7-day forecast. Now today we made it into the mid to upper 80s here for northeastern Colorado, mostly 90s for the southeastern part of our state, and 60s and 70s for the higher elevations. A little warmer in Eagle at 81, 89 in Grand Junction, and also 78 for Steamboat Springs. Now here in Denver, 88 are high at the airport, 92 the record set back in 1948, and on average we should only be in the low 80s this time of year for an afternoon high. So we're definitely warmer than where we should be, but temperatures outside now are mostly in the 80s. Rocky Mountain Showdown weather, temperatures in the 80s at this point, and it's going to be a really nice evening tonight with mostly clear skies. Temperatures in the 80s here from downtown to DIA. Our humidity at 14% and our winds about 7 miles an hour. Our satellite radar picture is as quiet as can be. We've seen a little bit of shower activity here north of Lyman, but that's about it here across the eastern plains. It's going to be very quiet for the rest of tonight. A few high clouds passing through for the Front Range, but other than that, nice clear skies into tonight. Now, if you're out and about here for the evening, temperatures will be in the 70s from 8 o'clock until 10 o'clock. We'll drop into the 60s at that point all the way through midnight, and the overnight lows will fall into the 50s tonight with partly cloudy skies. So a nice morning. Tomorrow morning we'll start out with temperatures in the 50s, very similar to this morning. Temperatures in the 30s and 40s for our northern and central mountains, and 40s toward Durango and Cortez. Our lows here around Denver in the mid 50s for early tomorrow morning. We'll have those 50s stretching up into northeastern Colorado as well. Very similar situation tomorrow as what we had today. 88 degrees, partly cloudy skies for the day. Very quiet afternoon. We'll have those 80s and 90s here across eastern Colorado. 91 in Pueblo and 96 for Lamar. We'll have 70 in Aspen and in Yampa. And just off to our west, we'll have mostly 70s getting toward Idaho Springs, and 73 in Bailey with 60s out toward Keystone and Frisco. Now we do have a chance for isolated thunderstorms mostly here into northeastern Colorado tomorrow afternoon. So even though we do have a slight chance for scattered showers in the forecast, I really think we're looking good for the entire Bronco game, even for some tailgating before that. And we'll have partly cloudy skies with those temperatures in the upper 80s. So the warm, dry air sticks around for the rest of the weekend. Then things start to change next week. We'll see more scattered shower activity on Monday and Tuesday, and another cold front heading into the state, which will take our temperatures down into the 70s as we get into the end of the week. 86 degrees on Monday, scattered afternoon thunderstorms, and the same on Tuesday with a high around 85 degrees. We do drop to the 70s on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday with beautiful conditions.